Do preview text impact open rates or any other major KPI? The answer is most likely yes, especially when your audience is mostly on a mobile device. The preview text is going to help give your audience a little bit more context to the subject line. For example, if you notice on your notifications you get on your iPhone or mobile device, when you get a notification of a new email, you will get the subject line and you will also get the preview text. If your first header image is just a plain image file, that preview text sometimes does not get displayed properly. So it might say image.png, it might say image2.png, etc. The preview text allows you to control the storyline and what the customer sees before they click. This is becoming more and more important as more of your prospects turn their mobile device into their primary email consumption tool. So always make sure your preview text matches your subject line and your CTA.